Rangahau, in terms of being an Indigenous tool for us to re-empower ourselves, is very important, because it's our opportunity to regain, to regather, to reconnect with what is our cultural practices, what is our bodies of knowledge that have been subjugated to in terms of the Western hegemonic society that we live in, to status of being out to the far left or slightly crazy, superstitious, myth and legend. So some of our rangahau, for me, is taking our myth and legends and making them a spiritual reality for us, that we re-engage with them, that we de-Christianise it, we decolonise it. And so Rangahau for me is very important in regards to us re-empowering ourselves, becoming more self-determined and not apologising for that.